After we powered on the shop window advertising display, let's get a quick start on it. So first, get the remote controller ready and use the remote controller to control the operating system of this display. The remote control function, the remote receiver, installed at the bottom of the display. So when you use the remote controller, better get your remote controller at a lower place. If you get a higher place, that may not work properly. So get it at a lower place to operate on the system. Second, let's have a check the main functions of this advertising display. So let's get into the application list. So the first is auto start settings. So we can select other application to turn on automatically when the system power up. And the second, here is autoplay application. This is the most important application of this advertising display. Second, the media contents advertising. So get your USB disk ready and put the media contents like pictures and videos into your USB disk root directory and then plug into the digital signage. Let's have a check. I have already copied the pictures and videos in. And it will start my pictures and videos advertising automatically. Right now, my USB disk was plugged into the display. We can also make settings set with copy mode on this autoplay application. So it's this autoplay application, general settings, and set with copy mode. In this mode, we should set up a file folder named autoplay file on my USB disk, and then put the media contents like pictures or videos into that file folder on my USB disk, and then plug into the display. It will copy the media contents from my USB disk autoplay file folder into the internal storage of the display. Click Submit. And if you want to display some pictures or videos with landscape ratio like this one, okay, like this one, the file manager and my USB disk here. Autoplay file. This is the autoplay file folder. So like those landscape pictures. If you want to display landscape pictures on the display, we can also make settings on the autoplay application, screen direction, and choose vertical screen model. Here, set slide screens like this one, with 3 pictures model: top pictures, middle pictures, and bottom pictures. Also, we can set with others like video in the middle and top and bottom with pictures. So let's choose this one and click Submit. And then click to play. It will display out the autoplay file folder pictures, the landscape pictures. So I can plug out my USB disk. So this is the copy mode and display with some landscape ratio pictures or videos. And then let's get back into the home page. Here, this function, timer switch, we can set up the automatically boot up time and shutdown time. Click Edit. Set with boot time. Then shutdown time, and choose from Sunday to Saturday. We can select the days here and click OK. So after this timer switch on selected, timer switch select, so it will boot up at 7 a.m. and 11 p.m. This is the HDMI input source function, and there is the HDMI input port on the bottom of the display. You can get the HDMI signal source in, collect in, and display on this screen. That's all the main functions of this shop window advertising display. So put it into your window and start your